everyone, today I will try to measure the differences in speed shown by the bike's internal speedometer measured by the GPS in my phone and compared to the GPS in my GoPro. And the idea is to see what are the differences and if they will be significant or not, and if they will be significant, at what speed. So I don't think I will go to the highway because it's like quite a trip. I will just use this area that I have. There will be a road outside of the city that I can go a bit faster, and that will have to do for today. So we'll see how it goes, but like going 60 kilometers per hour, you can already see that there is a difference from the GPS readings compared to the bike's speedometer. Seems like 5-6 kilometers per hour. Bike speedometer shows that I'm going faster than I am actually going, so that's interesting. Now I'm outside of the residential area, so I can do 90 kilometers per hour. So with 90 kilometers per hour per GPS, I'm actually doing 82. So that's like 10%.